Hi everyone. In this video, I will talk about USA F1 visa document checklist. So if you have US visa interview coming up, it is important that you watch this video because I will tell you about all the documents that you may need in your US visa interview. Let's get started. So obviously the first document that you may need is your passport. You should carry both your old passport and your current passport because they will ask you for your old passport if you have it. So it is important that you carry both of them. Second document that you should carry is your DS-160 confirmation page. So this is how your DS-160 confirmation looks like. So this is the page that you need to carry with yourself. You can get it from DS-160 website. You can go there, you can print this confirmation page and you can carry with yourself. Third document that you should carry is your appointment confirmation page. So from the website that you book your visa slot, you can get your appointment confirmation page and this is how it looks like. So you will get the option to print it. You should print this appointment confirmation page and you should carry it with yourself. The next document that you should take with yourself is your I-20. So this is basically given to you by your university. This simply proves that you have been given admit to that university. And this has all the details about your program, about your university, about the education cost, living expense that you are going to incur in US. This is a very important document and the visa officer will ask for this document. So it is important that you carry it with yourself. And the next document that you should carry with yourself is your Sevis fee receipt. Let me show you how this looks like. So this is how Sevis payment confirmation page looks like. I have highlighted Sevis payment confirmation. So this Sevis ID will be mentioned on your I-20 as well. And you need to make payment and then you need to carry this document with yourself to the interview. Another document that you should carry with yourself is proof of fund. So in your I-20, you have your tuition fees, you have your living expense in US. So it is important that you have sufficient documentation to show to the visa officer that yes, you have the fund available with yourself. So it could be your bank loan letter, it could be your saving account, it could be your fixed deposit, and you can also prepare a net worth by a chartered accountant. This is optional. You can leave it if you have sufficient fund with yourself. You do not need it. Next document that I'm going to talk about is decision letters. So you may have got acceptance from many universities. So take that letter as well. Another document that I'm going to talk about is your sponsor job or business documents. Let us say that your sponsor is your father. So the visa officer will ask you question about your father. The visa officer will first ask you question about your sponsor. They will ask like if you have sufficient fund with yourself. They can also ask question about what does your father do. So they can ask question about your father income sources. So it is important that you have sufficient documentation to show like if he's employed, you may be having pay slips, carry those pay slips. If your father files income tax return, carry income tax return. If your father is running a business and he has got GST registration, carry documents proving that as well. So these are the documents you can carry which shows the sources of income of your father. Another document that you can carry is an affidavit. You can get this prepared. This will basically show that your sponsor is ready to finance your education in US and have this stamped and notarized. Another document that you should carry with yourself is your test exam scores, for example, scores of your IELTS, your GRE scores. And the next document that you should carry with yourself is your mark sheet and your degrees. So you should carry your class 10 mark sheet, your class 12 mark sheet, your graduation mark sheet. And if you are in your final year of your graduation and you do not still have degree, so what you can do is that you can ask for provisional degree from your university and you can carry that. Next document that you should carry with yourself in case you have got work experience is your experience letter, job letter. If you have got internship experience, carry your internship letter. So another document that I'm going to talk about is your resume, carry it. And if you have got any certificates, carry those certificates. These are optional, they will not ask you. So now having talked about all the documents, let me tell you which are the most important documents. So your passport is the most important document. Your DS-160 confirmation is an important document that you should carry. Appointment confirmation, you should carry that too. Your I-20, you need to carry that. These are your mandatory documents. Your service fee receipt, you need to carry that. So these five you should carry. Other than this, other documents that you should carry is your proof of fund. That is also a mandatory document in my opinion, and you should carry in that document. Other than those, these six documents, rest you can, if you don't want to carry, if you don't have it, it is okay. But to be on the safe side, I will still suggest that you should carry your these late documents as well. For example, your decision letter, you should create an affidavit, uh, carry documents showing proving about the income sources of your parents, your work experience job letter, you should carry that, your mark sheet, your degree, because you never know which document that the visa officer can ask. And if the visa officer asks you for some document, and let us say that you do not have that document, then this puts you in a bad situation, and the chances are that your visa may be rejected because of this reason. So carry all the documents that I have talked about, and I think you should be good. And best of luck for your visa interview. And if you have any question, reach out to me. I will give my Instagram link in the description section. Reach out to me, comment, and thank you so much for watching this video.